Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dead by Daylight on Xbox, clarifying its multiplayer options. Unfortunately, Dead by Daylight does not support split-screen play on any platform, including Xbox. This game is built around an online-only, asymmetrical multiplayer experience, where one powerful killer hunts 4 resourceful survivors. Each player needs their own console and a separate copy of the game to participate in the action. To play Dead by Daylight with friends on Xbox, you'll need an active internet connection. From the main menu, access your in-game friends list. You can invite up to 3 friends to join your party as survivors. The game also supports crossplay, meaning you can team up with friends playing on different consoles or PC. Once your party is ready, you can queue up for a match together and face the killer as a united front. If you wish to play with a specific group of friends, including having one friend play as the killer, you can set up a custom game. This option allows for private matches with your chosen players. Remember, even for custom games, every participant needs their own Xbox console and a copy of Dead by Daylight. For those seeking a shared screen experience, exploring other games that offer local couch co-op might be a better alternative. While split screen isn't an option, Dead by Daylight truly shines in its online asymmetrical horror format. The tension and strategy of 4 survivors working together against one powerful killer create a unique and thrilling experience. With deep progression systems, numerous unlockable characters, and a vast online community, there's plenty to enjoy. Embrace the online aspect, team up with friends, and dive into the fog for countless hours of suspenseful gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.